friends! Welcome back to Rockbell Ranch. If you're new here, my name is Melissa, and I have been busy prepping the growout tractor for the baby bunnies. They are 7 weeks old, most of them, and yeah, it's time to start separating some of them from mom. I don't like to separate them all at once from mom because that's a little too shocking for her, I think, personally. It might not be. But I like to leave at least a couple of her smallest babies with her to let them have a little extra time with mom. Just take the big ones out for now and get them in the grow out tractor. So that is where I kept chickens for the spring and summer, and I just cleaned it out pretty thoroughly, and I added some bedding. And now I'm gonna add the food. I'm probably gonna put the food on around here, hang a couple water bottles, and then I will be good to start moving babies over. I am excited to see how much fun they have in that big space. Alright, everything is ready. So I have the top on just to demonstrate how it looks with the top on. I'm gonna take it back off for a little bit because we've actually got some decent weather this next week. So I have the water and the J feeder hung up now. I may have hung them a little too high. I don't know. I'll have to see how they do. I might have to drop them to like there. So the base that this is sitting on, I built myself this week. I got out here with a tape measure and got the dimensions of this tractor, and I found a pile of 2x4s and got to work. I think it's gonna be really good. I bought some mesh for the bottom, and you know what, guys, when I ordered the mesh for the floor, I was looking everything up, and I really wanted to get 14 gauge wire for the floor, and when it arrived, it was 19 gauge, unfortunately. So this will be a perfectly good setup for growing out the baby bunnies. Hi, Spud. I think actually the wire that's on this is also 19 gauge. And yeah, they'll grow out just fine on here with no problems, but this can't be used for permanent bunny housing because I don't want anyone getting any hurt feet on this floor. So Spud's gonna love being able to visit the babies. So yeah, I think it's ready to go. It's ready to add some babies. I'm gonna take the top off so that they got some light. And like I said, the weather should be really nice the next week or so. At least week and a half, I think. So yeah, time to move babies. Alright, we currently have 4 of Cygnus's 6 babies over here. Well, I guess that's technically Stella's baby. But that was a foster. So yeah, we've got 4 of Cygnus's litter in here now. And yeah, that's way too high up. I'm a fool. So I will be lowering that a good bit and trying to repair the hole I've made. Measure twice, cut once, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab Stella's babies and get them in here. Alright, I've got the babies moved over. Let's take a look at the setup I got for them. see how they like it. So we have now got Stella and Cygnus's babies in here. I moved the feeder down, and while it does still look a little too high for them, they're gonna get bigger. So it won't be too high for much longer. Moved the water down. I took the top cover off because they don't really need it right now. And then in this area, when the lid is closed, they have plenty of break from the wind and elements. So as long as they are smart bunnies and they know where to go, they should be great in here. They are gonna love this. They look like they're loving it and bouncing all over exploring. Gave them a little bit of hay in here. They are gonna make a mess of those aspen shavings. That's okay. Oh, this is such a good level for me to play with my baby bunnies. Oh, one of the babies is angry. Who's thumping? These babies are feeling spicy. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna stand here for a few minutes and play with these baby bunnies, but then I'm gonna go inside because it's really cold. Thanks for hanging out with me while I played with babies and moved them around. That was really exciting. I will get the other babies moved in next week probably, and they grow out. And I'm really glad I finally took the time to make a base for this tractor. I've been meaning to do that for both of them for a while, so I still got one more to do. And then I'll have two really nice grow-out tractors. So, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!